What I eat in a day when it's that time of the month. For breakfast, I wanted something quick and savory, so I pan-fried homemade pot stickers. This really hit the spot for me. Next, I went to the grocery store and saw the most beautiful strawberries, so I made fresh Korean strawberry milk and had strawberry jam on toast. I don't know if it's just me, but I always crave spicy food, so I made my 10-minute spicy garlic noodles for lunch. And for dinner, Dom helped me with recipe testing and we made this delicious spicy Thai basil fried rice. Oh my goodness, it was so good. I cannot wait to share this recipe soon. Who else gets spicy cravings when they're on their period?